Sup everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to take a Mixamo character and bring them into VSeeFace as a VRM. Just a heads up, Mixamo characters, they don't have basic things like hair movement, any facial expressions, all that you'd have to edit with Blender. So you just take your download and take the FBX file and bring it into Blender and edit, add some shape keys to it, and maybe some bones for the hair. But besides that, let's get started. So first thing you're going to do once you log on to Mixamo is go to characters and just choose whatever character you want. I already chose my character, Eve. And then after that, go to animations and just choose, it doesn't matter what kind of animation, just any kind of animation. And then just click download. Go for FBX Unity with the skin, and then just click download. So some of the other things we're going to need for this is Unity. I'm using 2019.4.29 and UniVRM. So once you open up Unity, you can create a new folder. And you're going to go and add in the UniVRM. So just take the UniVRM and then just drag and drop it, and it'll give you a thing saying have a bunch of stuff, and you just click import and just click OK for everything. Once you do that, next we're going to go and bring in the model. So wherever she downloaded, just grab it and drag it into that folder. Click off those, click off that, click on this, make this a humanoid. We're going to extract the textures, and we're just going to go one up and just select that folder. And now she has all of her textures. Just click fix now. Sometimes they don't have the greatest textures, so what I like to do is create a new material, and we're going to go and do cutout. Take this texture part, the one that's colored, not this one, so this one, and we're going to drag it. Hang on, I gotta click on the material first, so drag it here. Alright, you can change the shading too. Sometimes I like to do the M-tune because it's more saturated, more colorful. You don't have to do that though. So after you do that, click back on your FBX format and just drag the material in over here and click apply. Next thing we're going to do is just click configure, and you're just going to make sure that all these bones match up with what they're supposed to be. Sometimes they're like with this, it's fine with it being spine 1, spine 2. Sometimes it ends up being like that for some names. And as you can see, they're already all good. So I don't need to do anything else with this character. Just drag her to the scene. Those two. And export. Oh, so she's in her animation pose. as you can see. So just click the make T pose. That's the standard pose that most models need to be in. And then just export. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up VSeeFace. Avatar selection, add avatar, click on Eve, select her, and now she's in VSeeFace. And as you can tell, she can't move her mouth, no eye blinking, no hair movement. Those things need to be edited in Blender. So that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys learned something. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and I hope you have an awesome week. Later.